Hola, bienvenue, and welcome to my channel. It's late, it's about midnight, and I just finished hanging out with my sister. We had to catch up. We'll go for like weeks without hanging out, and then we'll have like a big catch up. So bloody excited. I've been waiting forever to find this bag in this color. And can you believe that the day it was sent to me from the eBay seller is the exact same day that this company re-released the new models? But I quickly realized that I preferred the old models, so I am so happy to show you guys my new bag by MONOS. Oh my god, if you guys have never heard of this brand, they are this super high quality up and coming luggage brand from Canada. All their bags are just impeccable, amazing craftsmanship, high quality luxury vegan leather. It feels so soft and it's so durable, scratch and dirt resistant. They're the first luggage company to be carbon neutral, so they emit zero carbon emissions, and they're 100% vegan. But most of all, they create gorgeous bags and luggage, and they've even beat away in terms of quality when it comes to the luggage. The bags, very hard to compare because they're very different sorts of bags. Away is more casual, I'd say, and MONOS is definitely more upscale, kind of business chic looking, but with the functionality. So this color is called Ivory, and I'm the first person on YouTube to make a video with this color. I was so shocked that there was no video with anyone that had the ivory color. And so I'm like, I really need to make a video for people wanting to get ivory. And the reason why I was okay getting this was because people were raving about how anti-scratch and anti-dirt this material was. So if it was genuine leather, I wouldn't have ever bought it. But because it's vegan leather and very durable and resistant, I do love this color. I do love light colors for bags, so elegant. It's far more beautiful in real life. It was hard because online it looks different colors in different lights, and a lot of people expected a white bag. I'm glad it's not white. I don't think it would have looked as chic or high end. It's actually like a boned sand color. It's a very, very light, like taupey beige. And in bright light, like right now, because it's dark in my room, it's looking more of a taupey color, but in the daytime it looks like a bone color. I just absolutely love it. It's just such a chic looking bag. And this is called the Metro Duffel, part of the Metro collection. They have re-released this bag. This bag was sold out for like months apparently. And they have changed the modular quick snap mechanism. So a cool feature of this bag that you will see on no other brand is this magnetic modular mechanism. When you pull this tab and the pouch comes off, and they have an alternate pouch called the folio. This is the classic pouch, and then there's the folio pouch, which is more of a kind of like a wallet media pouch that opens up fully. This classic pouch is more like a toiletry bag or accessories pouch, but it has plastic on one side with a really high quality, you know, everything about this bag and its attachments are super, super high quality. And then on this side, you have a detachable key ring with a super, super robust clip, as you can see. It looks almost like mountaineering or something. And it snaps on the inside. And then you have two compartments and then an extra like vegan strap here to hold stuff in. Beautiful. I was so lucky to acquire one of these because they don't make this design anymore. The new, okay, so I understand why they changed, and it's because everyone was complaining about this, like, oh, It's unsightly and it's ugly. When I take off the pouch, I don't want all these magnets showing bare enough. I would have preferred if they perhaps changed the colours, like to match the bag. So they added a vertical piece, but they stitched it this way, so it looks like 3 different blocks on the bag, because this new vertical piece is cutting this way. So it looks very patchy now, and I don't like it. So I still think it's ugly, by the way. Even though it may look better than this, I don't like the extra piece of material. So you'll have this huge thing located at the bottom of this pouch and a flap, so it clips in. This flap will then go into this new piece here and then click at the bottom. So there's only 1 magnet now instead of 5. I like the way this goes on, and you can't do that anymore with the new ones. You have to lead the piece of vegan leather flap through the slit and then attach it at the bottom. Whereas this one, you can literally just, that's it. And it's strong, really, really strong. And it's just so easy to take off and put back on again. That's it. I love that. I don't want to have to lead something in and like, I don't know. I understand, okay, the magnets are gone now, but I notice when this pouch is on, what I like is these clean lines. Like all the you know, you just see vertical lines going down. It's very clean looking. But the new ones now, you see the stitches here and the stitches here, stitches here, stitches. So it's just like not as clean looking to me. It's just more patchy looking, more stitching, more extra pieces of material, and I don't like it. Also, they added a snap loop permanently to one of the handles, so now that it can be easier to hold the two together. I personally don't care. I've never used snap loops anyway, and they kind of annoy me when I'm holding it by hand or like in the clutch of my arm. I prefer it without. Again, I think it looks cleaner without. The bottom has these nice vegan leather feet, and the front could be the back and the back could be the front. If I didn't want to wear the pouch, I would literally just use it like this. I would have the magnets facing me because I think this side is stunning. So clean, just stunning. And I would just carry it like this. I was actually thinking of going to like Michael's and like buying paint to match the bag. Yeah, the magnets aren't that great looking, but I don't really care. And I ordered the folio, and the folio is a thinner version, like half the width of this version, and it acts more like a wallet or purse. You know, you can hold your passport, some money, cards, pen, and a lot of media in there. And they were having a sale right before the re-release of the new design of the bags, and that's when I just grabbed it. And then when I use the folio, I will use this as a toiletry pouch inside this bag. Okay, so the side the pouch goes on to, the side of the magnetic modular quick snap technology, there is a magnet pocket. I love how generous these pockets are. And on the other side is a hidden zipper. I love that the zipper is hidden. I think it's quite ugly when bags have a lot of exposed zippers. You have the logo located right here, and then it's also located on the pouch. I just can't get over how gorgeous the lines and just the design of it is. Just these small little details just really make the bag look very upscale, very elegant. While this is a pocket, it also can convert to a trolley sleeve by just unzipping the zipper on the inside. There's a tiny zipper on the inside. Again, hidden. Everything is so clean on this bag. You don't see all these exposed zippers and parts here and there. And when you're not traveling, there you go. I'm acquiring all these different bags right now because my life is changing. So I think it's good to have different bags to fit different aesthetic, wardrobe and occasion. Yes, you can have one bag for everything, but I really have been falling in love with different brands recently. Kind of veering away from Louis Vuitton. I'll always love Louis Vuitton in a certain way, but I can't justify the prices sometimes when it comes to the inconsistent quality, to be honest. And a lot of these new brands are up and coming and really like making a name for themselves. Monos and Away are two brands that I do really love. I'm going to do a comparison video soon, but they are paving a name for themselves in the luggage community because of their quality, the craftsmanship, and just how classy and different that they are. This has so much more function than just a typical Louis Vuitton like keyboard. It's got all these organizational compartments. It just has this appeal, this aesthetic that other brands do not have. When I first learned that the leather, that the zipper pulls were vegan leather, I was just like, ugh, because I was thinking, oh, it's not going to look very nice, but they're so nice. It's just when you see it in person and you just see the quality of everything, how smooth the zippers are. I just instantly fell in love with this bag. So here's the Metro collection card. That's exactly my bag. And shoulder strap. I do love the design. Again, very clean. I like that it's not that thick piece of material that can move up and down. I find that very sloppy looking. Some people hate this being fixed. I like it being fixed. I think it's in a good location. And I just like how clean and just the way it transitions into the strap is very clean. It doesn't look casual at all. And this mattified silver hardware is perfect. Like, I would, if I was on the design team for this bag, I would have chosen this hardware myself. But just gorgeous hardware. Like, matte silver is beautiful. Most companies use a really gaudy shiny gold or like shiny silver, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I think the matte silver just looks a bit more upscale and chic. Sometimes you get a bag and your anticipation and excitement exceeds the reality, and I was a bit afraid of that because I was so hyped up for this bag, and when it came, it was 100 times more beautiful in person than the photos, and that's always a nice surprise. But I just wanted to show you like how clean this strap is. It's just impeccable, it's beautiful, and I really do like the way they did the strap because it's padded but it's not so thick and cumbersome, and I like that it's fixed. Let me show you. I just love this bag, I'm so excited. So this is my nicest like travel work bag. It's so chic. Okay. I mean, the handles are long enough to go over your shoulder if you think. I think it's very comfortable. They have rolled handles, and you can see the quality, all the stitching, everything looks so clean. And it doesn't shine like it is on the video, it's because of my fill light. It's quite matte, resembles calf leather in reality, but just so clean. Everything about this bag is just so beautiful. Inside, you have this felt, it's PET felt, which is biodegradable apparently, for the laptop sleeve. There's no padding, you guys. There's no padding at all, which not the best if you want to carry a laptop without a case. But this side here, this pocket can be used for many other things. It doesn't have to be a laptop compartment. And then the other side has the beautiful Monos logo and another zipper. Pocket, kind of shallow, not the largest pocket in there, but the pockets on the outside are very generous. But just to note, the lining is not stitched to the bag. So yes, it does come out fully. Some people may be very bothered about that, other people may not care. Don't mind, I don't mind so much. I do like it when things are stitched inside of the bag. But because it's such a beautiful bag and there are far more pros than cons to this bag, I don't mind. And on each side, I got such a bargain on this bag because the person basically used it once. The plastic is still even on some of the hardware. There are magnet secure pockets on each side to keep smaller water bottles, brolly, or whatever else that you need to be secure. This will definitely be my corporate office bag, my lawyer bag, travel bag when I want to be a little more posh and elegant. It's just gorgeous. I can honestly say that the reputation and the hype around this bag, they do exceed the reputation in my opinion, and I just think there is a lot of thought and details that went into every aspect of this bag. Just showing you some of the details. In a way, it reminds me of some high-end designers. You know, there is nowhere on this bag that you can pinpoint messy stitching or something that looks sloppy. Really, like, the bag is a little over $200. Totally worth it, worth every single penny. And I think it's almost a bargain because you're getting such high quality where you don't often get that quality with other designers, and you're paying easily 10 to 15 times more. So that is my quick review. I have the folio coming because I did order the folio, so I'm going to have 2 different pouches, and I will do another review when that comes. I just wanted to share with you quickly my new MONOS Metro Duffel. I highly recommend it, and I just hope that you guys realize that is the new redesign of this bag. The main reason why I bought this bag was because I was looking for a bag that was appropriate for work, for travel, weekends away. It's just hard to find a bag sometimes that can transition for different needs. Some bags look just like work bags, some bags look just like day bags, just like travel bags, or like they can only pass for like casual bags or whatever. I wanted a bag that looked chic, high-end, sophisticated, elegant, yet functional. And this is amazing. I come to realize that after using these like high-end, glorified duffels, I can't go back to just using a tote. However, that away tote is what gave me this whole bug to begin with, and prompted me to start looking at different brands and different travel brands, especially that I'm going to start moving around again. And my ultimate goal and my dream job is to get a position as a lawyer that enables me to travel a lot, because I love travel, and this is just the perfect lawyer sophisticated office bag that could transition into a travel bag as well. So this is another reason why I highly recommend this bag. It's just so versatile and I'm absolutely in love with it. So if you want the original design, you're going to have to find it on Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark. You're going to have to find it somewhere else. Nordstrom is still selling a few MONOS bags, just FYI. If you like the new design, all the more power to you and get that. But yeah, they just re-released it a couple days ago, so I would run to the MONOS site to see if they have any backpacks and duffels left. So anyway, I hope you liked it, and I'm so excited. I'm really, really happy. It's something that I never knew I would love so much, and I recommend this bag to all. Bye!